I'm also the Chief Technology Officer for Brunswick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. So Navico does what? Navico is...
So Navico is kind of more what we consider the technology division within the company.
Okay.
So we do all of the electronics that go into boats. So that would include multifunctional displays, that would include radars, sonars, trolling motors, charting, mapping applications. It also includes all of the electrical and power management solutions.
Okay.
So that could be batteries, that could be our Fathom power management solution, combi masters, converters, all things electrical. And then also a bunch of things that are more kind of mechanical. So you think about actuation trim tabs, water systems, HVAC systems, lighting, seating, all those kinds of things. So that's all within the portfolio of Navico Group. We sell, of course, to all of the Brunswick OEM brands. We also sell to about 600 other OEMs overall. And we also sell about 60% of our revenue within Navico Group actually comes from aftermarket or retail.
Okay.
So it might be something like a Bass Pro Shop or Amazon, that kind of thing.
So what are some of the things you would sell to the aftermarket? I mean, what are the...
So within aftermarket, for example, all of the fishing systems under the brand called Lowrance.
Fish finders, yeah.
Fish finders, trolling motors, and that's a pretty exciting space as you think about some of the new technologies. Earlier this year, we launched a new sonar technology called Active Target 2XL. And just the visibility of what you're seeing below the water, the ability to identify fish. It's got 360-degree visibility. So that would be one example of things you get in retail. You can also get, one of our brands is Simrad. So you can buy Simrad multifunctional display screens. A brand we have in the charting space is called CMAP. So you could buy a CMAP chart in the aftermarket, either online or physically in a store. So lots of things, batteries, Mastervolt brands. We have about 18 brands within the Navico Group portfolio.
Is there I know I've spoken with some of the other folks about some of the directions, like the auto docking and some of the propulsions. What do you think is the biggest trend right now is you see in marine technology?
Yeah, so I think it's really around making things more intuitive and frictionless for consumers. That's one aspect of it. We do that by thinking about the user interface. Is that really seamless and intuitive? We do it by ensuring we have the right level of quality and reliability. And we also do it by integrating individual standalone components into a broader ecosystem of products. So I think that's really important. It's something that we, Brunswick, are uniquely capable of doing because of the breadth of our portfolio. So Auto Captain is a great example. That's a Simrad branded product. So we sell it, obviously, you saw here Boston Whaler and Sea Ray, also sold to other OEMs. It integrates the Simrad screens together with the Simrad branded cameras, the compute power, and then the Mercury propulsion system. And so that's a really intuitive and fully integrated system that allows us to bring more technology, more features and functions. So I think that's a big trend as consumers are looking for things to be easier for them. Another side of things I would say would be another aspect of making things more intuitive and easier might be as we lean into our Freedom Boat Club model across Brunswick. So that's a completely different aspect. It's a consumer that maybe doesn't want to think about maintenance or cleaning the boat, just wants convenience. And so the Freedom Boat Club model is ideally suited to that segment of consumers versus some of the other newer technologies, whether it's Auto Captain, whether it's our AI agents, so agents on your mobile phone, whether it's more connectivity solutions, more power management integrated solutions. Those are really leaning into more of the tech-facing spaces.
Okay, great. Okay.